What's up guys, welcome to another finally whiteboard session with me about TM match. I already did a video, the very first one, which was about analysis, where I sort of hinted at TM matches. We definitely need a TM. So what TM match means is, let's say you are translating something, it's a new document which consists of multiple sentences, segments, strings, whatever, right? And then we have our fancy TM, which is a database of the previous translations, which basically means it stores the previous source segment and the corresponding translation. And there can be multiple translation units like this. So the TM match basically represents, it's calculated for each string in the new source document, and it says how closely this new string, this new segment that we have to translate, matches what we already have in the translation memory. And because we're translating, at this point we only know about the source. So it compares the new strings in the source with the source part in the translation memories, right? And then we know if it has a corresponding translation or not. To give you a brief example on the one segment, let's say there are 4 words in that segment, and if all these 4 words, if the segment completely exists in the exact same way, word by word in the translation memory, it means it's a 100% match because it basically matches word by word. Then we can have another example, which is the same string, similar string, but let's say the last 2 words are different and we don't have a match like this. So let's say only the first 2 words match. This would be a 50% match. And then finally, we can have another example, which is y, and we have nothing like that in the translation memory. This would be called 0% match. So typically the matches range from 0% all the way to 100% match. 0% match means we have nothing like that in the translation memory. 100% match means we have exactly that same string already translated. And there's also a special case which is 101% match, but that's for another lesson. It's more complicated because it takes into consideration the context. That's it for me for today for TM matches. See you in the next one. Bye bye.